Welcome once again. Let's talk about Shibadoge. Now remember all this why according to coin market cap, we all have seen Shibadoge gain a lot of listing. We all have seen Shibadoge gain a lot of high trading volume, and of course a lot of changes in price. And but as of today, in the past 24 hours, according to coin market cap, you see that the market cap of Shibadoge is now trading at the time of recording this is trading at $8,384,148. I was surprised when I look at this. You know, all this while even on CoinMarketCap you see Shibadoge market cap was over $31 million US. I was like, wow, what happened? Okay, I have to check the trading volume within the past 24 hours and even the past 48 hours to check some of the trade transaction that happened on Shibadoge. But you see, according to CoinMarketCap, this have actually dropped. That means about $22 million US have been pulled out of Shibadoge, and I don't know if that figure they have been giving us before about Shibadoge, which was over $31 million market cap, if it were actually correct. Okay, because right now what we have on CoinMarketCap, except there is some kind of error they have on their database, but according to CoinMarketCap, we have just $8,384,448 market cap for Shibadoge. And before Shibadoge rose to over $35-36 million market cap, the market cap was between 5 and 6 million. So seeing 8.3, well, I think I want to know what happened, if there's a huge sellout, or if that figure wasn't the right figure, or if their database have issue that they need to fix. So I'm still yet to figure that out, but at least I'm surprised to see that market cap at this level. Well, let's wait and see. Let me see that how this week goes for Shibadoge to know what is really going on. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification button in order not to miss our next videos.